it feels right.
What up, fams? Hope you guys are having the most blessed day of your entire lives. I've been meaning to do this video forever now, and I finally got the okay because Emma's parents are out of the house. The dogs are home all by themselves today. Emma's just at work now. She should be finishing up soon, so I gotta finish this up as soon as I can. Hopefully she set up everything properly. I had her go inside, set up some cameras in the house because today I'm gonna be pranking her dogs. I'm gonna go in dressed as an intruder and try to scare the dogs. I'm gonna put this in my mouth so the dogs can't hear my actual voice, so I can muffle that. And then I'll have this covering my face, so I'll just look like some asshat. I just wanna catch their reactions. I wanna see what they do when they see somebody intrude. Also, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and turn on post notifications. And guys, no dogs or animals will be harmed in the making of this video. You guys know I'm a huge animal person. I love animals. I love pets. I would never do anything to harm these dogs. They are my babies. I'm just gonna go in and scare the crap out of them. That's all I'm doing.
Taping this. If you're getting your gun, I'm taping it. No, Brian. Whatever it is, don't go out there.
What the hell is going on out there?
That's not Emma. That's not Emma.
Alright.
Okay, wait. Brian, think about this. Okay, wait. I'm scared. What the f is that? Go.
What are you doing in our house?
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
Down on the ground! Face down on the ground! Get down on the ground! Face down! Arms out to your side! Turn your head to the left! Arms out to your side! Don't move! Lorraine, go get the straps! Go! Don't move!
You okay? Oh. Where are they, Brian? Oh, I got him.
Don't move!
What do I do? Oh, I know what to do.
Cross your legs!
Go away.
Bring them up to your butt! Put your hands behind your back! Don't move!
Oh my God. What the hell were you thinking? Call the police.
Don't move!
Check him in the chair.
No, leave him there. Leave him there.
I'm scared. I'm gonna go phone the police.
Okay, go ahead.
I just want to make sure Tally is okay.
Don't say anything. Don't move. Just stay where you are.
Go back to bed, Talia. Just go back to bed. Okay? I'm calling the police. We don't know who it is. Go back to bed, Tal. Where's my cell phone?
Whoa! What are you guys doing? Mom! Brian, that's Allie! Oh my God! You have the gun out!
Allie, what are you doing, you idiot? Idiot!
You guys aren't supposed to be home!
We came home. What are you doing?
I was scaring the dogs.
The dogs aren't scared. We're scared. Come on, Allie.
Can I have my hands back?
No. I'm going to bed. Good night.
Why do you have a gun?
Feels right, it feels right. Yeah, I can only say that it feels right.